Mrs. Fulton. We are going to do an Uno workout movement break. All you'll need for this is a deck of Uno cards. So I have mine already ready to go. Each color means something different. Yellow stands for jumping jacks. Green stands for squats. Red is a 30-second plank. Or maybe we could do however many seconds the red card has on it. Blue, push-ups. And any of the action cards, it's 10 of your choice. So we're going to do a few together, and then after the video, I encourage you to get your own deck out and keep on moving. We know that movement is good for not only our bodies, but also our brains. So I'm going to shuffle my cards. Shuffle, shuffle. I didn't predetermine any of it, so I don't know what we're going to do first. All right. Ooh, yellow. I have one yellow. That means one jumping jack. I think we can do that. Here we go. Ready? One. Whew, I'm sweating. That was a hard one. Second card. Wild card. So it's 10 of my choice. So let's do 10 mountain climbers. I'm going to scoot back. 10 mountain climbers. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Next up, 3 blue. So 3 push-ups. You can do the push-ups on your knees, or you can do it the regular old way. So 3 push-ups. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Awesome job. Let's see what else we have. 3 green. So we have 3 squats. 3 squats. Remember, shoulder width apart. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Okay. What will we do next? 5 more squats. I got 5 green. 5 more squats. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. All right. Oh, I'm going to come close to this. 0. We lucked out. Okay, let's see what else we have. Oh, 6 more squats, friends. 6 more squats. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our legs are going to be sore after all these squats. I did not set this up. We have 6 more squats. Oh, let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. Is it going to be a green? Woo! Friends, it's not. It's an action card, so it's my choice. 10 of my choice. Let's do 10 Supermans. So, Supermans, you lay on your belly, your arms are straight out, your legs are straight out, and you tighten your core and you pull your arms and legs up together at the same time. Kind of like Superman flying. Here we go. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. We finally got a break from those squats. Whew. Let's do a couple more, and then you guys are on your own. Another action card. Action card. Let's see. Let's do 10 high knees. Here we go. action card. Let's do crab toe touches. So, get in the crab position, and then we'll touch our toes. Let's do 10 of them. Remember, do your personal best. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Last one together. And it's an action card. Let's do some lunges. Hands on your hips to stabilize. Right leg first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job, guys. So, like I said before, all you need, a deck of Uno cards. I will post this workout. Just want to continue to say I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. Think about all the positivity that you can come up with for being home with your loved ones and your families and your siblings. Growth mindset, your driving work. Remember, you are the driver of your own bus. Keep up the great work.